3 ways to disconnect and improve your sleep. In this tutorial, you will learn 3 effective ways to improve your sleep. While the constant screen time is stimulating our brain, it can become very hard to shut it down. If you find yourself having a difficult time sleeping, try the following 3 ways to disconnect and improve your sleep. Practice offline hours. According to research, many devices have a screen light that can impact negatively the production of melatonin in your body. Melatonin is the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. For that reason, experts recommend that we go offline 1 to 2 hours before going to bed. Change your bedtime routine by bringing something new, like reading a book, taking a bath, journaling, or meditating. Another useful approach is to charge your phone in a space outside the bedroom. That way you are less likely to check your phone before bed. Practice the present moment. The phone is keeping our brain active by stimulating the production of dopamine. Dopamine is not what you want to be producing just before bed. Dopamine is the neurotransmitter that is connected to motivation, pleasure, and excitement. Our interaction on the phone has a tendency to entertain and stimulate us. Information is constantly bombarding our brain, and it becomes practically impossible to shut it down. If you have the tendency to check your phone at night, it can make it even harder to go back to sleep. During the day, learn to practice being in the present moment by distancing yourself from your phone. Instead of being interrupted by your phone, turn the notification off and be present in what you are doing or experiencing at that moment. The more you will practice it during the day, the easier it will be to disconnect from your phone at night or before bed. Practice emotional awareness. Have you ever tried to sleep angry or anxious? If so, you know that it is practically impossible to sleep if you are experiencing intense emotions. Unfortunately, what we watch or read on our devices have a big potential to trigger emotional disturbance. Learn to shift your attention to something more positive when you are feeling down, frustrated, or even anxious. By being aware of your emotions, you will be able to quickly catch yourself when you start feeling down and shift your mood before it becomes too disrupting. The more you will let yourself be affected by drama, the more difficult it will be to find sleep.